Why won't my Mac connect to Wi-Fi? That's what we're going to solve in this video. But first, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, write down below in the comment section any suggestion or question that you have, and let's get started. So first of all, you need to check your Wi-Fi connection and that you're correctly connected to the Wi-Fi network you want. So just go to the up there to the Wi-Fi signal icon and click on it. And as you can see, this is the Wi-Fi network I'm connected to. You just need to check that you're connected. You can also try to reconnect. Let's disconnect and then reconnect. As you can see, we're reconnected. You can also make sure you're connected to the right network. If that's not working, you may also go to check for your physical connection, for example, for the router or the LAN connection. Also, if you have an old MacBook or an old Mac, you can go and make sure that you have the latest update. You can go it from your system preferences and then go to software update and check for the updates, because maybe the new drivers are not installed in an old version of the MacBook. Another thing to do if the internet is still not working is using the Mac OS built-in wireless diagnostic tool. It helps in fixing any error or any disturbance in the wireless connection if it's a system error. The easiest way to go for it is clicking on F4 and just typing wireless, and as you can see, it will appear for you. All you gotta do now is just clicking on it and opening the wireless diagnostics tool. When the window opens for you, all you gotta do is clicking on continue. The tool is now doing its magic and is diagnosing, and you just have to wait for it to finish its diagnostics and to follow its steps and apply any changes needed to fix the internet. If after this and the internet is not yet working, you can give it a last trial and change the DNS. Go to the Wi-Fi icon and go to network preferences and then go to Wi-Fi, click on advanced and go to DNS and add any DNS servers that you want to be used in the device. That's all for today. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and write down below in the comment section any suggestion or question that you have, and have a nice day.